Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something fun, creative, super useful for anyone who wants to sharpen their mind and their communication skill as well. So the topic I'm going to talk about that is improv classes. Improv. I think you haven't heard about the word improv. Improv basically means improvisation, creating something on the spot without any script. That is called improvisation. And you might have heard about improvisation and you might be thinking it is related to actors and comedians, right? Yeah, you're right. But it is not just for comedians and actors, it is also for you. If you wanna be sharper in conversation, if you want to improve your communication skills, if you want to become confident on stage, so that is for you. Here's one of the easiest improv games I'm going to show you today. Today's improv game is called one word story. One word story. This is the easiest improv game you can play all by yourself, alone at home. You don't need any friends. Because sometimes you face a problem, you don't have friends to practice, you don't have friends who will be interested in this kinds of peculiar game. So you can do it alone. And now here's how to play the game. Number one, you will pick a random word. It could be from a book, the first thing comes to your mind, or the first object you see. Just pick a random word. And number two, you will start forming the story out loud. You will say one word at a time. Remember, one word at a time. Like that. For example, the word is utensil. Utensil, I scrub every day. My mom makes me to do that work, and I don't love to do that work. So one word at a time, remember. And rule number three, don't just stop, don't overthink, don't plan. You have to speak that spontaneously without stopping. And now if you want to make it more interesting, then you can switch emotions from surprise to angry. And you can play with genre as well. Once you will say as a fairy tale, once you will say the story, narrate the story as comedy, once as horror, once as like suspense. You can do like that. So these are the rules to play the game one word story. And now I'm gonna show you the live demo. And I'm gonna be playing the improv game here. It's gonna be impromptu, unrehearsed, unplanned. Okay? So now, first step, choose a random word. So I opened a random page, and now the word I chose here, I put my finger on. That is gonna be today's topic. So I put my fingers here. Let me see. Surprise! Underlined. Okay, the word is underlined. What about this? Underlined. Now, what you can do? Put a timer. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, according to your preference. And now I'm gonna on the timer on. I'm gonna click on the play button, and I set the timer for 3 minutes. For the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna be playing that improv game. The word is underlined, okay? So just see how I play the game. Underlined, the word, but I didn't like that underlined word. Why? Because the word I underlined, it was a bad word. I can't say it in front of my mom. How come I say that? Then I try to erase the line, but I just underlined the word with pen. So it is impossible for me to erase that line. I was so sad, and now I was crying. and my mom saw me. What are you doing? Why are you crying? Then a fairy comes from heaven. She told me, Jeet, don't cry. I am here. And with my magic stick, magic band, I can erase that line. I was extremely happy and I was dancing. My mom got surprised. He was crying and he is laughing right now. What happened to my boy? But after that incident, I never underlined any word, any bad word. Then my father came, and the moment he grabbed the book, he could see the underlined word. How? Because the moment the fairy was gone, it was again there, the line. So my father could see that word. And do you know what was the word? I can't tell you the word because it was a bad word. Again, I start to call the Shaktiman, and the Shaktiman came. But when I asked him a favor, that Shaktiman refused to tell me. Why? Because he lost his power. Why? Because no one is watching Shaktiman nowadays, because everybody is watching Spider-Man. The alarm is ringing. The timer is up. So that was the story. You can play that game, and when you play that kind of spontaneous game, it just surprises you. The interesting thing, or the beautiful thing about the beauty of this improv games, it will surprise you and it will force you to think. And that is the only way to become fluent, and that is the only way to become witty. That is the only way to become sharper in conversation. Several benefits it has, and these games have. And now, if you want to be sharper in conversation, or confident on stage, or become a great communicator, these games fit the bill. These games are like perfect for you. So just give it a try and play these kinds of game. If you want, I can share other improv games as well. Those games are more interesting than this. So I'm speaking in one word at a time because of that. So thank you so much for watching that video.